Welcome to Quality Learners. Today our topic is healthcare administrator. I'm talking about jobs and earning in medical career. Healthcare facility is searching for a reliable and qualified healthcare administrator to manage our um, clinical and administrative producers to succeed in this role. You should have to depth knowledge of healthcare regulations and medical terminologies. Okay, as the healthcare administrator, you will be responsible for creating employee work schedule, monitoring budget, maintaining patient records, and ensuring compliance state laws and regulations areas. Candidates will be professional and courteous and excellent written and verbal communication skills. As a healthcare administrator, you'll be responsible for the creating employee work schedules, monitoring budgets, and maintaining the patient's records, and ensuring the compliance, state laws and regulations. The ideal candidate will be professional and courteous and excellent written and verbal communication skills. So here are some responsibilities for healthcare workers: monitor the department, the budget, and prepare accurate report your finding. Keep details, records of medical and officer supply stocks, information implies of new policies and other changes. So develop work cultures for all employees, candidate with doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals to identify their issues and needs. So respond to the question for the doctors, nurses, and patients in a timely manner. Ensure patients' medical records and keep it up to date. Keep records of all expenses and recommend techniques to reduce the cost. Ensure all the departments and comply with the current healthcare laws and regulations. So here is requirement for job: bachelor degrees in healthcare administration, business administration, and related field. So there should be a bachelor degree for healthcare officer, a minimum of 5 year experience in a hospital administration position. It doesn't matter somewhere in the field. Some companies like or require experience, or some does not. So, in-depth knowledge of healthcare regulation and the medical terminology, outstanding written and verbal communication, it is very necessary to apply. Problems solving with good time and managing abilities, proven experience with the administrative and accounting process is a bonus. So, this was enough. Thank you